Okay, this is what we were used to do. It is seven, 98. Let's see. Okay, so 310 is 0. So FF, FA, FD, FC, FB, F5, F9, F8, F7. Oh, sorry, is it FF, FAE, FF, FE, FD, FC, FB, FA, F9, F8, F7, F6, F5, F4, F3, F2, F1. 0, F1. Let's see. Okay, I got the jump right. So 312. And then 18, 6901, I think. 03, 03. Okay, so this is a program that clears the accumulator, transfers also to clears the X registers. Then at 400 is the video memory. So I'm clearing all the video memory using the current value of the accumulator. Because I'm making a loop with 256 iterations. This is the branching that you need to compute the relative address in hexadecimal, like I did. Then I'm incrementing the accumulator and then jumping back to the same loop. So basically this, when I start this program, sorry, this is from basic will be call 300.768. But from here I can go 300 go, and so it works. I can press reset, and from this will be call to call directly from basic. And for quite long, this is how me and my brother were programming the Apple II. So by entering hexadecimal values and just looking at the disassembly.